Think the most expensive motor oil automatically gives your engine the best protection. That belief has cost drivers millions of dollars over the years. Today, we're putting two of the biggest names in synthetic motor oil head-to-head. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 5W30 and AMSOIL Signature Series 5W30. One is famous for its advanced gas-to-liquid technology, while the other has built a loyal following with claims of unmatched protection and incredibly long oil change intervals. But when we strip away the marketing and focus on independent testing, real used oil analyses, and expert data, does one truly outperform the other? The answer might surprise you. Let's start with the one thing every driver cares about: engine wear. Your engine contains hundreds of metal parts moving thousands of times every minute. Without a strong protective oil film, those parts slowly grind against each other, shortening your engine's life. Both Pennzoil Ultra Platinum and AMSOIL Signature Series meet the latest API-SB standards, meaning they've passed some of the toughest wear protection tests available today. That's already a good sign. AMSOIL is one of the few companies that publicly shares detailed testing results, showing wear levels far below the industry's required limits. Those numbers support its reputation as one of the best oils for long-term engine protection. Pennzoil takes a different approach. Instead of publishing as many raw figures, it focuses on proving its oil exceeds industry standards while highlighting its Pure Plus technology, which starts with natural gas instead of crude oil. Real-world oil analysis tells an even more interesting story. Thousands of reports from turbocharged trucks, family SUVs, and daily commuter cars show both oils consistently producing extremely low wear metals. In many engines, the difference is almost impossible to notice. That means regular maintenance often has a bigger impact on engine life than simply choosing the more expensive bottle. But protecting metal isn't the only job motor oil has. Modern turbocharged engines run hotter than ever before. High temperatures create sludge, carbon deposits, and sticky piston rings that rob power and fuel economy. If an oil can't keep the inside of the engine clean, performance slowly declines even if wear stays low. This is where Pennzoil Ultra Platinum has earned a strong reputation. Its gas-to-liquid base oil contains fewer impurities than conventional base oils, helping resist sludge and keep pistons remarkably clean. Drivers who frequently make short trips or spend hours in stop-and-go traffic can benefit from that extra cleanliness over time. AMSOIL, however, attacks the problem differently. It relies on a powerful detergent package and a large additive reserve designed to keep cleaning the engine mile after mile. Independent testing has shown outstanding resistance to deposits even after extremely long operating periods. That's one reason so many enthusiasts confidently stretch their oil change intervals when using AMSOIL. Now let's talk about something many drivers never think about: oil evaporation. As engine temperatures rise, some oil naturally evaporates. The more it evaporates, the more likely you are to notice increased oil consumption and thicker remaining oil inside the engine. Over thousands of miles, that can affect both protection and performance. This is one area where AMSOIL clearly shines. Its extremely low volatility means less oil disappears under high heat, making it especially attractive for heavy towing, turbocharged performance cars, and drivers who spend long hours on the highway. Pennzoil still performs very well, but current published data gives AMSOIL a measurable advantage when engines are pushed hard for extended periods. Cold starts are another hidden battlefield. Most engine wear happens during the first few seconds after startup, before oil reaches every moving component. Fortunately, both of these oils perform exceptionally well in cold weather. They flow quickly, reduce startup friction, and provide rapid lubrication even during freezing temperatures. Unless you regularly drive in extremely cold climates, you'll probably never notice a real-world difference between them. Finally, let's talk about value. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum usually costs nearly half as much as AMSOIL Signature Series. If you change your oil according to your vehicle manufacturer's recommended intervals, Pennzoil delivers outstanding protection for significantly less money, making it one of the best values on the market. AMSOIL justifies its higher price differently. Its stronger additive reserve, lower volatility, and excellent long-drain performance are designed for drivers who want maximum protection over extended service intervals. If you plan to keep your vehicle for years, drive long highway distances, tow heavy loads, or simply want one of the most durable oils available, the premium price can make sense. So which oil wins? If you're looking for the best balance of performance, cleanliness, and overall value, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is incredibly difficult to beat. But if maximum durability, longer oil change intervals, and premium protection are your top priorities, and you don't mind paying extra, AMSOIL Signature Series remains one of the finest synthetic oils money can buy. At the end of the day, both oils belong in the top tier of modern engine lubricants. The right choice depends less on which bottle is better and more on how you drive, how long you keep your vehicle, and how much you're willing to invest in protecting your engine.